Oh, you got to have lots of endorphins, lots of trips to the beach and good food and play. Like we were discussing, keep play. Bit of music and so on. Just, yeah, make the most of it, eh? It's going quick. I'm 70, so I don't know how much more I'm guaranteed. Look after your kids and then they'll look after you, I guess. Eh? Early this year, I sort of had a fall in the bath, and so you're basically crippled, flat on the floor, and managed to get a doctor to come to treat my back and up and walking again. But the time when you can't walk is horrifying. But that's the thing about getting older, you got to get used to keeping still. You're just not sure where that next step will take you, eh? When you're young, you can walk like your steps are as big as a yard. When you're old, you take about little steps, eh, just in case. We're pretty insignificant in the picture of it, but then we've got this connection to all the generations, eh, with our children. It's going to keep on building up and up. Oh, we got daughters and mokopunas and nephews and nieces, and yeah, it's all one big family. We're all one, really. In a way, our brains are all linked, eh? We're all one mind.